Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Take 2. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Spotify account using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now after you sign in, at the top left corner you can see your profile picture. Tap on it, then select settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy you can see options like account, data saver, languages, playback, content preferences, devices, car, etc. All you have to do is select account. Now under account you can see at the end there is option to close your account yourself and delete your data permanently. Click here. Select the click here button. Then on your interface you can see there is information about closing your account or deleting your data. Tap on close my account and delete my data. Then it's gonna take you to the page where you have to chat with Spotify support. All you have to do is select close my account and Spotify is eventually going to delete your account. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your Spotify account using your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.